Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a logo in Hexa AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up Hexa AI, and then from here go ahead and click on the create button. Then we want to go ahead and click onto logo, create your own personal logo. Now we could design unique and professional logos that reflect your brands in seconds. So from there, click OK. Now we need to go ahead and enter your prompt here. So if you got a logo in mind, we can go prompt, we can put that in here. If you're not sure, you can always use AI like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. to create a prompt. So I've basically asked ChatGPT, can you create me a prompt for this? So yeah, they give me a few different variations in that. So yeah, it's a cool little hack. So I'm going to use this one here. So I'm just going to copy this prompt. Now I'm going to move this out of the way, come back to here, copy that to clipboard. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on create. Now this is going to cost 50 coins for this. So let's see if it's going to allow me. All right, it has. So now your generation is on the way. So it's going to give you a time. So depending how many people are using it, and if you're using the free account, it's going to take longer. But if you get the pro version, your logo is going to be a lot quicker at their creation process. So basically just wait the time out and then you're going to get that logo. Now, if you don't like the way your logo has turned out, you can always go ahead and change your prompt as well, or you can talk to AI to give you a better prompt. So here it is here. This is the prompt I gave it, and now this is the logo it gave me too. So yeah, you can see all that. Now if we can animate this, we can do another mock-up, we can regenerate it if you don't like it. But if I click out of it, like so, click on create your personal logo, we can put in our prompt again. We've got a text logo as well. So if you want a text logo or a graphic logo. Now below that, I failed to mention we've got different logo styles. So I just had it set at no style, or we can use monogram, mascots. We've got modern, seasonal, vintage, minimalist, gaming, classic, cartoon. So you've got all these different type of styles you can use. You can click on the seal, choose what type of style. If you're doing a gaming logo, go ahead and click on choose gaming and then enter your prompt here and click on create. Now, if you want to go view your logo, we can by going back down here to the bottom of the page, clicking on library, and now this all your logos are going to appear. If you want to go ahead and download, you can click on the three dots, click on download 4K HD. You can even remove background, you can share it, friends, family, and all that good stuff.